So after sweating, after a good hike, they like to relax and scratch their back on the tree or anything like that. So good brush, okay? So a little bit the leg, not too long, okay? And the back needs a good brush because you're putting some weight on her back, okay? And if she's got like a little stone or anything, she can be hurt, and then if she's hurt, she doesn't like to walk anymore. Okay? It's like you, if you got a pain here and you have to wear a backpack on top of it, you won't be happy, right? Same problem. So the belly, they don't like it too much, but you can go at least, you see the border between the white and the gray? You can go that way. And then as we put a belly strap, just put your hands here to see if it's alright, if there is nothing that could injure her, okay? Like the bum and a bit the back leg. Okay? They're really sweet animals and they really like being brushed, okay? I give you one so you can have the other side. So. On the other side. No, oh, okay.